Gataru gaka gakuite arutwo 23 a secondary na kirathi gia kanana aria mathiaga igongona ria kanitha mwena wa KOKWA riria gataru kao kahofanirio ni makumbi ma mai na gagitobekerera iria-ini ria Baringo. Agikirira uhoro uyu mukonde kamishona wa Baringo augite umuthi ruciini niguo mahonokirie miri iyo ari thiku ya gatatu ya uhonokania.
And we can successfully say that we have retrieved all the 6 bodies. Unfortunately, there were no survivors. All of them were fatal. 6:30, our divers and our marine officers were able to trace the bodies around KOKWA Island, and the bodies have been successfully brought to the mainland and moved to Kabarnet mortuary.
Gataru gaka kahofanirio ni ruhuho runene ruria rwacungiriirie makumbi ma mai na gagitobekerera iria-ini riri.
This has happened because of some few issues that might have been neglected. We do acknowledge that the boat was carrying 23 people on board, of which the boat was supposed to be carrying about 8 to 10 people maximum.
Aciari a ciana ici ni mekinyiria nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri gukurana miri ya ciana ciao.
We have taken some of the family members to go and identify the bodies and then be given psychosocial support.
Mihango ya kuhurukia ciana ici ni yambiriirie kuria gikundi kia mutharaba mutune ondumwe na atongoria a makanitha meranĩire kunyitanĩra na family iria ihutĩtio nĩ mutino uyu.
I'd like to call upon the members of the public to take caution.
Kuambia serikali tumehitaji vitu mingi ya kulinda hii bahari. Tulikuwa tumesema tunataka 10 beaches. Kila beach iwe na komiti yake na iwe na usimamizi wake.
I'd like to call upon the beach management unit and the people, the boat owners association, to enforce the regulations and laws to be carrying the right number of people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithĩra wa Mwangi.